welcome to another episode. So today we are starting um, a product review on our channel. I'm Tyra Blaines, and if this is the first time, please subscribe to our channel. I've always wanted to get a food processor, but I wasn't sure the brand to get. I tried getting Ambiano, but I couldn't get it in the market. Ninja was too pricey for me, so for now we're gonna do Russell Hobbs. Yeah, this is let's see here, cream processor. Comes with a 3 years warranty, 850 watts, 1.7 liters. So let's open. I didn't open it because I wanted you guys to see it first, so let's open it up. Can you see this is Russell Hobbs? Sorry, it's upside down there. Okay. Okay. So this came out. Let's put this on the side. This is big. Well, I guess how many liters? This is 1.2. I'm not so happy with the blade. No, I have something to try with, so I don't know if it works or what. The lid. That's the impressed with the package about. Let's see how it goes. This is the dough blade present. A blade for slicing and chopping. Okay. So see what. This is the mixer cup. And the engine. So let's get this out of the way. Here we have the timer. I don't know how this works, but surprisingly it comes with no manual. How am I going to operate this? Okay, so I don't think I'm happy with this. No manual. I'm gonna put the so Russell Hobbs. This is crazy. Let's check again. I'll be right back. Well, I didn't find a manual. That's disappointing. And I was expecting more than this. So let's fix this up. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Since there is no manual, I guess I'm going to. I don't know how I'm going to operate this without a manual. This is crazy. And mind you, this is my first time buying a food processor. So for a first timer, a manual is supposed to come with it. Just guessing. And I can see it has a lock. Oh, interesting. It has something to make it stay firm on the table. I like that. So oh, sorry for the noise. Sorry about the noise. I want to show you guys. It's a headache. So it has a lock and unlock. So let's walk that previously. This has the key here. So can you see that it's lock? So unlock, lock. Now let's open it up here. Aha. So it is pretty. Ooh. Okay, guys, this just came up and it's supposed to have 3 years warranty. See, I don't know. You all saw how it came off and it still feels like it works, but how am I supposed to use this for the next 3 years? And see this, it's pretty stock. I know it's supposed to be like that, but it's really difficult. And this is not strong enough. That little fall just broke this off. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I hate returning stuff. Looks like I have to return this. Maybe this is fake, maybe it's not. Do you, I'm really struggling to leave this thing right now. It's not nice. I guess this is why videos like this are important, to help you make the right buying decision. I really did a lot of research and I couldn't find, it was quite difficult for me to find something within my budget. Now I bought this for 45,000 naira. In this difficult time, things are really tough for us here in Nigeria. So it's not easy. I can't work with this. Um I hope it won't be a problem with the buyer. I just have to take it back there. I hate it, I hate it. I hate it, but one, I have a lot of things I don't like about this food processor from Russell Hobbs. One, it comes with no manual. Two, what comes with it are so limited, it's annoying. Food processor is supposed to come with so much more, but simply just too limited for me. And the guy assured me that the blade was 4 blade. Here I can see 2 blade. I want a food processor that I could blend tiger nuts with and do a lot of crazy stuff with, because I'm coming to blow you guys' mind on this channel. So my recommendation, probably if you get a brand, a different version, I don't know, but for me, I wouldn't recommend anyone getting this. I would advise you get yours. Get another brand. So I'm going back to the buyer. Sorry, the seller. I'm going back to the seller and lay my complaints. I don't know if this is fake, but it's definitely not impressive. See you guys later. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's new. We know we are not perfect, but we are getting there. Your subscriptions, your likes, your positive comments will help us grow and encourage us to post. It takes a lot of courage to come here, a lot of commitment. I'm trying to make myself committed to good things. So please encourage us and thank you. Bye. Okay, yeah, this came up right. So, Charles.